Hi everyone, all of you have seen thumbnail. You might be thinking how you can increase your score. Okay, that is what happens when you are at Witchcam. Witchcam channel always tries to improve your live performance by increasing your score. Okay, so everywhere you might get information about the examination and only about the marks, but at which can I will give you the tips to still you got a chance to increase your marks. How it is? By going through the question paper and your answer very carefully. There are some mistakes in the keys given by them, so by careful observation like I have done in one of the paper, and those people can be benefited by raising that objection. It is a blunder mistake given by the MSET authorities. Okay, I am sure that mistake will be accepted and marks will be added to your score. Okay, so which is that shift and what is that question, what is the correct answer, that I will tell you. Understood? Definitely there will be increasing score. Is it understood? So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this channel, because lot of information like this is going to come. And if you have a sister or brother in the 11th class or 12th class, that is first year or second year, ask them to daily go through one or two video lectures, and try to take the test on each and every chapter whichever is going in their in the class. Okay, it is additional whatever they are going, whatever the subject, whatever the chapter they are covering in the class. If they are not able to understand, they can understand on this channel, and they can take test before the weekend examination or monthly examination, quarterly examination, any examination. You can go through the test conducted by me with the qualitative explanation. Okay, so try to increase your number of students, number of subscribers, so that most of the people can be benefited. And for you, after the MSET results, how to go through, which stream you have to select, which college you have to select, I will try to give information. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, subscribe and press bell icon, and all your classmates, your college mates, please share this channel so that they may also be benefited, because they may also increase the marks. And if you have any question problem in chemistry, send that question and I will give you the reference and correct answer, so that you can also be benefited. Okay, but that I will do only if number of subscribers, number of views and number of likes are increasing. Okay, so I am not here to waste your time by entertaining. Okay, so let's come to the question. Okay, so there is a question on the 17th September. I am telling you the model. Okay, so this type of mistakes may be there in many question papers. Okay, so 17th September MSET question paper, date is 17th September date, and timing is 9 to 12 exam. Okay, and I am talking about the question number 36. Okay, so while you raise objections, you have to raise your objections. Okay, and this will increase your marks. Therefore, all of you, those who are of this shift, they should note down this question ID also. Okay, they may ask question ID 8135611153. This is the question ID. Okay, so how to raise the objection, already I have given you the procedure in my previous video. Okay, so if you have not seen that, kindly go through that. Because we not only give the just information, link is given for the your response sheet and question number. Okay, so question number you can identify from the your response sheet. Okay, so this question is about the number of lone pair. Okay, so number of lone pair on hydroxyl ion. Okay, number of lone pair on hydroxyl ion. Okay, this was the question. You can cross check question number 36. It may be changed in some paper. That's why question ID will be same. Okay. So number of here their answer given. Okay. Answer given I am writing. Answer given is 4. Okay. 4 lone pairs. 4 lone pairs, but correct answer. Okay, correct answer. Correct answer is equal to 3. Okay, how you have to explain them before accepting? They will accept only when you are suggesting the complete procedure. OH minus. Okay, oxygen plus hydrogen plus 1 electron because of the charge. Okay, valence electrons you have to check. Oxygen will contain 6 valence electron, hydrogen and 1 electron with the 1 electron from here. Okay, so this will be 8 electron. So because of this 8 electron, they gave a 4 lone pair, but it is not like that. Okay, so note down up to here and I will write the complete explanation. Especially note down this question number and you can raise your objection. Definitely it will be accepted. Okay. Okay, now see here, if 8 electrons are there, then what happens? 8 electrons will be oxygen and hydrogen will also share like this. This is the Lewis dot structure of OH minus. So 1, 2, 3. 3 lone pair. So my answer is 3 lone pair and their answer is 4 lone pair. So like that you have to explain. Okay. If you wanted to give the reference, I will give you the reference also. But it is not the same question. It is given in the NCERT. Okay. NCERT reference. For reference you have to provide if you have academy book. Okay. You can go through that. If it is same example is solved, then you can claim that. For my reference, I got NCERT page number 100. Okay, page number 100, class 11th. Okay, part 1. So you can quote this question ID and reference. If you have academy book, you can kindly check it and you can write that Telugu Academy book so that you can have the good reference. Okay, so I think this procedure is understood. So if you still have any question doubt, kindly send that your response sheet to me. Then I will check that question number and I will tell you whether it is accepted or not. But kindly share this video to all your classmates, because somebody might be getting chance to improve their marks, and improving their marks means improving the seat getting chances. So at least you should subscribe, or you should ask your sister, brothers who are in class 10th or class 11th or class 12th to daily go through half an hour video lecture of their current college syllabus, and weekend syllabus or any examination is going on, they should go through the test in every topic. I have conducted almost test and I will conduct more tests, and I will be coming with the more video lectures provided number of views, number of subscriber improves. Okay, bye bye, see you.